If you have bought a new SSD and installed it to your laptop or desktop, it's not showing up. We're going to fix it by only one easy simple step. So here, just do a right click or just click on Run. Just open the Run window and you can search Run, and Run window will appear. You can also press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window for you. And here we need to type diskmanagement.msc like this. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. Diskmanagement.msc, click on. Okay, and the disk management will open now. If you have a lot of external hard drive, you will find it here, and you will also find the scroll button there. You can simply scroll it. And I just have only one partition, one DS, but in your case you will find other. And that must be unallocated. Please listen to me carefully. That can be unallocated, and you just need to select that unallocated drive, and you need to do a right click on that and click on New Simple Volume. And here, once you will click on New Simple Volume, then I would recommend to select the maximum simple and select the letter drive, and then you will see that the partition, the SSD, will show up in your computer. So basically they don't allocate the drive and to not assign the drive letter, and that is why it's not showing up. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.